Hello, everyone. Welcome to Bento English. Today, we are going to practice counting from 1 to 10 in English. I'll say the number in Japanese first, and then in English. Please stay with me until the end, and let's practice together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Ichi in English, we say 1. Repeat after me. 1. In English, we say 2. Repeat after me. 2. San, in English, we say 3. Repeat after me. 3. 4. Repeat after me. 4. 5. In English, we say 5. Repeat after me. 5. Liu, roku. In English, we say 6. Repeat after me. 6. 7. Shichi, nana. In English, we say 7. Repeat after me. 7. Hachi, in English, we say 8. Repeat after me. 8. Kiyu, in English, we say 9. Repeat after me. 9. Zu, in English, we say 10. Repeat after me. 10. Great job, everyone. Now you can count from 1 to 10 in English. Practice again and again, and soon it will feel natural for you. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Bento English for more fun and easy English videos. See you next time. Have a great day.